Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this. Today I'm going to listen filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Filippo is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. He's also having this in 2020 I will be. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter, today's music. Tap on it and you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.